Hi, my name is Cynthia Weyand, and I am in Washington State, and I look forward to learning as much as I can in this class. It's one of my last 3 classes before I get my degree. And I wanted to show you my first item. It's a picture of my family. It's on a Christmas card. I haven't printed one out yet, but I have my son and his wife, and they're in Provo getting their bachelor's in April. And my 2 daughters are twins, and they're in 8th grade. And so I have a lot of fun. My family's most important thing to me. My second item is my work badge. I work at an elementary school, and I get to work with the kindergartners, and it's a lot of fun for me. I find a lot of joy in helping the kids learn, and it's fun to see on their faces when they are succeeding and progressing, and it's just a highlight of my day. Another item is this agate. And I was never interested in hunting for agates until a friend of mine, we had a girls' weekend at a beach in Oregon. And one of the things that my friend wanted to do is go hunt for agates. And I went along, but I really enjoyed it. It's something I look forward to going to do again. It was peaceful and relaxing, and you can just enjoy nature around you. It was low tide, and there was, we had found some seals that were swimming along the ocean close to us, and so it was just a neat experience. So I just really enjoyed that time away and relaxing. And the last item are these tulips, because I love to work in the yard and plant flowers and experiment with different gardening. I'm not a pro at it by any stretch, but it's something I enjoy doing. So I hope to get to know you better in this class, and I will see you later.